From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Our sunsets continue to get a little bit earlier in the evening. Sunset tonight, 7:04. A week from now, 6:54. And then 2 weeks from now, 6:45. And you'll see towards the end of the month, 6:37. Halloween, 26 days from today. Thanksgiving is exactly 7 weeks from today. So we're continuing to move through the month of October. And daylight saving ends 31 days from today. If you're suffering from seasonal allergies, still have that ragweed and grasses, still have those issues out there. Medium range both today and tomorrow, but it does get a touch better, it looks like, for tomorrow. Yesterday we did manage to make it to 84 degrees in the capital city. Tuesday we had 86. Our average for today is 80 degrees. We probably will be a little bit above that, it looks like, later, but we haven't had any rainfall for the month of October. Matter of fact, the last time we picked up any measurable rainfall at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport was September 17th. Certainly could use some rain, but we'll have a few clouds later today. Again, not expecting much in the way of rainfall today. Even as we go into tomorrow, cold front approaches area, clouds will increase, but it's going to be basically a dry frontal passage. So those clouds will continue to kind of hang around. We'll go partly cloudy skies, it looks like, late in the day on Friday. And then as that colder, or at least cooler and drier air spills in, those clouds will decrease early Saturday. So the clouds will kind of decrease Saturday. It may be a little bit breezy at times on Saturday as well as that cooler and drier air spills in. Here's the European forecast model confirming what we're basically thinking: dry weather. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, maybe a few more clouds as we look ahead towards Wednesday. Over the next 7 days, we're talking about potentially trace amounts of rain. Not a whole lot of rain whatsoever, so trace amounts possible over the next 7 days. It looks like our next best chance of rain may come October 14th, so it'll be some time, October 14th, maybe the 13th. So you're talking Friday or Saturday, October 13th or 14th, our next best chance rain. Highs today generally in the lower 80s. Those clouds kind of build in, a little bit of a breeze coming out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, mostly cloudy with lows in the low to mid 60s. If you head into the upstate on Saturday, some great football weather. Wake Forest coming to town. Kickoff at 3:30. Sunny, cool, and a little bit breezy with some winds coming out of the northwest, 10 to 15 miles per hour as they take on Clemson. And Clark Atlanta will be in Blythewood over at Westwood High School taking on Allen University. Sunny and breezy with temperatures at 6 o'clock probably in the, we'll say, upper 60s to near 70 degrees. Here's our forecast in the short term: low 80s today and tomorrow. Noticeably cooler over the weekend, mid 70s on Saturday. Clouds do decrease. Notice those temperatures Sunday morning dropping into the mid to upper 40s. Afternoon highs only around 70 degrees, mid 70s Monday. We're back into the upper 70s, low 80s Tuesday and Wednesday. And Wednesday is the beginning of the South Carolina State Fair. Here's your coastal forecast: cloudy on Friday, a lot cooler over the weekend, and upstate, a lot cooler over the weekend. Then the temperatures gradually warm up, it looks like, next week. Looking ahead, our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook: this will be October 12th through October 18th. We're expecting near normal temperatures, but it could be wetter than normal. So that would certainly be good news. We could use a little bit more rainfall since it has been so dry. We're still tracking Philippe. It's going to kind of turn more towards the north and west, it looks like, pushing towards possibly Maine. So it'll be a storm we'll continue to track, and we're also watching this area. Hurricane Center gives us a low chance of further development, so about a 30% chance of further development over the next 7 days. Here are all the tropical tracks so far. It has been a very busy hurricane season. We've had 18 storms so far. Our last named storm was Rena. Philippe's kind of hung around for quite some time, but we would expect, at least on average, that tropical activities start to continue to really decrease as we go through the rest of October. Keep in mind, hurricane season is a very long season. It does continue until November 30th.